Hi friends, how are you? I'm your friend Shahid Abbas. Today I'm going to tell you about the human language versus animal communication. There is a big difference between both the languages. The basic and first was duality. A duality of patterning distinctive sounds called phonemes are arbitrary and have no meaning. But human can string these sounds together in an infinite number of ways to create meaning via words and sentences. The primary difference between human language and animal communication is known as duality of patterning or structure. What is the structure of language of both humans and animals? Each human language has a fixed number of sound units called phonemes. These phonemes are combined to make morphemes, the smallest unit of sound that contains meaning. Thus, language has got two levels of patterning that are not present in other animal communication but in human languages. Second one is creativity. Yet another distinctive feature is creativity. Human beings use their linguistic resources to produce new expressions and sentences. They arrange and rearrange phonemes, morphemes, words, and phrases in a way that can express an infinite number of ideas. This is also called the open-endedness of the language. Animal communication is closed system. It can't produce new signals to communicate novel events or experiences. The third difference is displacement. Human language can talk about things that aren't happening here or now. Other animals react only to stimuli in the present. The next one is interchangeability. Human language is interchangeable between sexes, like genders, but certain communications in the animal world are performed only by one gender. For example, bee dancing is only performed by worker bees, which are female. The fourth one, basic difference is cultural transmission. Human language is culturally transmitted or taught. Other animals' communications largely with signs they are born knowing. It means animal language can't change cultural, but human language change culture to culture. The next one difference is arbitrariness. Human language is symbolic system. The signs or words in language have no inherent connection to what they signify. That's why one subject can have so many names in different languages. These signs can also be written with the symbols or alphabet of that language, both verbal and written language. Uh, it can be passed down to future generations. Animal communication is not symbolic, which means ideas cannot be preserved for the future. Next one is biology, biological difference in human and animal communication. Biological difference also play a vital role in the communication. Human vocal cords can produce a large number of sounds. Vocal cords means vocal tract, like esophagus, trachea, Adam apples, soft and hard palate, alveolar ridge, tongue, lungs, etc. These are produce the sounds which we produce human language, but not from animal language. Each human language uses a number of those sounds. Animals and birds have entirely different biological structure, which impact the way they can form sound. Uh, okay, ji, good luck.